Hello and welcome to the Met Office forecast for the long Christmas weekend. Through the festive period, we are going to see quite a dramatic change with our weather. We're starting off relatively mild, and through Saturday and Sunday, the winds will be picking up. Now, most of us will be dry through Saturday and Sunday, but there will be some persistent rain across parts of western Scotland. And then we'll see more of a dramatic change through Christmas Day and Boxing Day. We'll keep some strong winds and the rain will become more widespread, especially so by Boxing Day. But before we get there, we've got a relatively dry night on Friday night, some drizzly rain perhaps across the highlands of Scotland. Again, it's mist and fog that are more likely to cause the problems. Pretty poor visibility, especially on some of the higher routes. But the wind's relatively light and it is going to be mild once more across the south, and a milder night across northern Scotland, where we do have this band of rain. That's from a weather front, and that will continue to wriggle its way around close to the northwest of the UK through Saturday and into the Christmas period too. High pressure is dominating further south. There are quite a lot of isobars on the chart, so that westerly winds will continue to strengthen through Saturday, bringing again a lot of cloud. And there's that weather front bringing wet conditions across the north of Scotland. Further south, most places though will be dry, bar the odd spot of drizzle, and with more of a breeze it won't be as misty and murky. There won't be as many fog patches around. That westerly wind bringing mild air, so again many of us in double digits. By Sunday, Christmas Eve, that weather front will be just pushing a little further south. We could well have some wet conditions for Northern Ireland, parts of northern England, as well as the central belt of Scotland. Again, further south, most places dry, but increasingly blustery and still mild. May brighten up and dry up a little bit across the far north of Scotland. But that weather front will wriggle back further north, it looks like, through Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. And we do, in fact, have a yellow warning in force, as the rainfall totals could really start to build up here. And then the big day itself, Christmas Day, well, it's all about these southwesterly winds, bringing mild and cloudy conditions for most of us. You will notice a little bit of white on the chart there. Yes, we are expecting a bit of snow over the hills and mountains of Scotland, but at this stage not expecting a huge amount at low levels. But yes, it's mostly going to be a mild Christmas with, again, temperatures above average and into double figures, but it will be quite blustery. Apart from a little bit of drizzly rain, most places will be dry, but it will be rather drab across a good part of England and Wales. Those weather fronts form into a bit of an area of low pressure, it looks like, through Christmas Day night and into Boxing Day. And with low pressure across the UK, well, that rain, as I said at the start, becoming more widespread through Boxing Day, and the winds also staying pretty lively. Stay up to date with the forecast over the next few days by following the Met Office website. You can always get more on our YouTube channels and, of course, across our social media channels too.